Hey everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial with me, Matthew. Um, so I know it's been literally only 2 days, but I'm not gonna do them like every 2 days. I'm just gonna like upload them like my songs. Like I'll just wait for like maybe like a couple months and then I'll release another one. But I was just having so much fun with that last one that I did, so I'm gonna do another one. And happy Columbus Day. Columbus Day. It almost sounded like I said it in a British accent. So, and today, as you guys read in that little like thing that we're doing, so today we're gonna be making the rainforest, or the Amazon rainforest. I'm gonna call it the Amazon rainforest. So, anyways, let's get started with the video. So guys, right now I have the James Charles palette. It's opened. Not open, but yeah. Anyways. I'm gonna do this slow because apparently some people probably didn't follow what the other one said and all that. But actually we're gonna do the eyebrows. Okay. Just keep going upward and then slide down. I apologize if I'm like boring you guys, but I literally just have like nothing to talk about. Like seriously. I mean, this is literally just makeup that I'm doing. So yeah, and then we're gonna use this side of the brush. And yes, this actually does count in the rainforest look. But I mean, if I don't really see you wearing this, it's okay because I'm not gonna be able to see it. But yeah, so we're just gonna brush off and then do this again. I don't know why, but I always like the feeling of this. Like if you just feel this and then you just go like that, I always just like the feeling of it. It's weird. Alright, we're gonna do the other brow. And also guys, don't forget to go follow me on TikTok because I might be doing a giveaway. Well, I might be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna say I might because, I don't know. I just might. And if you guys wanna know what I'm gonna be giving away, I will be giving away a water bottle and some oil pastels, like maybe, I don't know, or maybe my Crayola palette that I still haven't used. And, and I'm also giving away a Funko Pop too. Alright, I think that brow's done. So now, we're gonna grab this brush. I need to see myself. Yeah, so we're just gonna grab this brush. I don't even know what the name is. Shader. Alright, wait, I think some of them have names. This one's Smoky Eye. This one is, I don't even know what it is because it's not letting me turn it around. Okay, so. Alright, but we're just gonna use shader. And we're gonna dip it in to the we're gonna dip it in the shade of Daddy. If you guys see that right there, that's Daddy. We're just gonna take this out, and then we're gonna dip it in and put it on my eye. Okay, so now let's get started with the actual makeup. Also, guys, comment down below if you guys really like my makeup, because I know I do and stuff like that. So, yeah, alright. I think I might need a little bit more. Alright, I don't know what was this. I was just... Alright, so... Okay, this is looking good. Alright, we're just gonna open up the makeup remover, because we need to wash our brushes, obviously. Because if we don't, it's gonna screw up my look, and then people are gonna think I'm an idiot. Also, guys, don't use that word if you guys are like easily offended. Just don't, like, yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna... Okay, you know what? I think we're gonna put this brush back. So now we're gonna grab the smoky eye brush, which is this brush right here. And we're gonna dip it into the shade of Social Blade. If you guys wanna know what Social Blade is, it's the one right next to Daddy, so it should be... It's this green one right here. And yeah, so let's get it dipping and putting it on my eye. Alright. And yes, I am gonna probably put on my eyelids too, because yeah, it's just... And also, guys, while you're at it, yeah, don't forget to go follow me on Twitter, even though people aren't probably gonna follow me, but oh well. Okay. Also, guys, comment down below if you think this is looking good so far, because I think it is somewhat, but yeah. Wow, this is looking really good. Like, just look at this. Or, hang on. No, I think it's better off if I do it like this. Alright, so, oh, I think I actually forgot something. And yes, this one does require the lower lash line. Which means I'm gonna do the lower lash line, so we're just gonna wash this brush off. Okay, it's been like 7 minutes. And we're gonna grab shader, I believe is what it was called. Yep, shader. We're gonna use this one again. We're gonna dip it in the shade Daddy, which is the one next to Social Blade. Alright, now let's put it in my lower lash line. Hopefully I don't put it like I got punched in the eye like last time, but... accidentally got some on the little mirror thing. I mean, it looks good, but it also kind of looks terrible. Hang on, let me wipe it off real quick. Let's see where wipe it off. Alright, so now we're gonna use, oh shoot, I forgot the brush name. Alright, so now we're gonna use Smoky Eye, which is this brush. And we're gonna dip it into, I keep telling you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys know what shade I'm probably gonna dip it in, because if a rainforest is green, so it's obvious. Alright, just... Oh, also guys, comment down below who you're going to be following, because I am going to be Mickey Mouse. Hopefully. Or maybe, if not, maybe like a Visco Boy or something, I don't know. And then after that, I'm probably going to stay a Visco Boy. I'm probably not even going to like, just wear it as a costume, so, yeah. Alright, this is looking a little bit good. Oh, wait a minute, I think I know what I should do. I should probably like... I should probably add like a little bit of spooky in there and like... Which is this black shade right here. And then I could probably just like, I don't know. You know, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't screw up my look. If it does, then this video technically won't exist. So, yeah, well it will, but I'll just do it differently. So, we're gonna grab, because I don't want it like too big, so we're gonna grab brow / liner, which is this tiny little brush right here. We're gonna dip it into Spooky and just tap it on there. Alright, and then we're just gonna like go from here and then just tap it a little more. Alright, and then Alright, I think I just kind of screwed it up a little, but yeah, I think this looks a little bit good, but not like so much. Yeah, so now we're just gonna wipe it off. Okay. We're just gonna pop this back in. I need a case for this instead of just using this like plastic thing. Oh Lord, my head hurts. Okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna put all the brushes back, because now it's time for the sparkles, and I'm actually gonna add like maybe like a little bit of blue in there. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit of Hello, and then I'm probably gonna put Guac. So yeah, so this is the shade. This is Hello, if you guys see that. And then this one is Guac, but we're not gonna use that right now, so we're just gonna wipe that off. But the Hello one we're gonna use, so I'm gonna keep that one on. we're just gonna Alright, comment down below if you guys think this is good. So, oh my god. Alright, sorry guys about that. Anyways, comment down below if you guys think this is good. I think it looks a little terrible, but also at the same time, like, very good. Yeah, oh, there's a little dash title. Alright, yeah, I think that looks good. Now we're gonna use guac, which is that greenish color that I showed you guys. Which is this one, and then we're just gonna put it up here. Alright, so nothing really showed up. Oh, that's probably why. Alright, we're just gonna wipe it off. Gonna put a little bit more on. Alright, I don't even know if this is looking good. This literally looks like I literally look like a zombie or something. So yeah. Okay guys, so that is one lash. That's one eye done. So now we are going to do the second eye. It's probably gonna be the same shades that I used. Hopefully I remember the shades I use. Like I know it's Daddy, Social Blade, and then Spooky, and then Hello and Glock. Excuse me. But yeah, so anyways, let's get to it. So guys, we're gonna use shader again, this little brush. I'm pretty sure you guys know what shades I'm probably going to use. Yeah, so this next one is going to be Daddy. And if you guys don't believe me, it is actually called Daddy. I don't know why it is, but it just is. Yeah, so we're going to get dipping. Alright, just tap it, and then, whoa, I almost did this eye. I feel like I should probably tell a story while I'm doing this because, yeah. And it's obvious, one look is gonna look better than the other. So like, for example, like the other eye, this eye, like, I literally, like I feel like this one looks so good. But yeah, and that's one of the shades that I just said, so like, yeah, that's why I did this, because it's a shade name. It's one of like the sparkly ones, so yeah. Okay, I think this is looking good. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Dip, and then we're gonna tap, and then, well, that was a weak tap. Okay. I know, like, literally one time, there was like this, we were just coming from like a store and something like that. We're gonna do the lower lash line now. I was literally coming from like a store, which is like Stop and Shop and something like that. So of course I come across with this like taxi driver or something. And apparently, I went into his like car, of course, because yeah. And then all of a sudden he turns around at me and goes, "Help your mom." And I was like, "Oh, okay." So I go to my mom, who was in the back of the trunk, and I asked her, "Do you need any help?" She goes, "Wait, hang on." Okay. She goes, "No, of course, because yeah." And so of course I went back to the taxi driver, and he literally just gets mad at me for literally no reason. I don't even know why. And he's just like rushing me and something like that, or I don't know. And trust me, I did not like him. Like, one taxi driver does that, like, seriously, just gets mad at like a 9-year-old child? I don't even know what year this was in. This was probably like 2015 or 2016. I know it's somewhere around the present, so like, it's probably not like 2013 or something. But yeah, just testing to see if it's like, yeah, okay, good. None of the parts are coming off. So now we're gonna use Social Blade. And we're just gonna dip it onto this eye. And I know one time, I was like sleeping, and then all of a sudden, the fire alarm goes on. But of course I didn't hear it. All of a sudden, it was literally raining in my house, but I also didn't even feel the rain too, because I was sleeping so hard. And this was actually on Easter Day. It wasn't this Easter though. It was like 2 years. It was like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Whoa, hang on. Okay. And then all of a sudden, I just wake up and I'm just like, oh my god, it is raining in this house. We need to like leave, seriously. But apparently it wasn't raining in the house, because God knows I was just a weirdo back then. And apparently it happens that the person upstairs flooded their house by accident. And then all of a sudden there was like cracks, there was probably like cracks on her floor, and then it went down to our house. So yeah, and we lived in an apartment back then, so yeah, and that was my Easter. And then we had to go like literally over to the community room where like people like go like get together and stuff like that. And then we got our 2 Easter presents. Like, I got like 2 things, and like my sister got like 2 things, and then, but apparently that wasn't it, because then we stayed at a hotel. Yeah, we stayed at a hotel, and we got like some of our Easter presents there too. So yeah, and then all of a sudden, like a couple days later, we come back, and everything was literally wet. Like there were dryers in there that were trying to like dry it and stuff like that. But yeah, so now we're gonna okay, so now, oh shoot, I just messed up my look. Oh well, I don't think it really matters. Oh wait a minute. There's a little gap of like, yeah, so we're just gonna dip into Daddy a little bit, and then I'm just gonna like, okay, yeah, that's good. Now just tap it on the makeup remover, and then we're gonna use Social Blade just a little bit, and tap, and then just cover up that little gap. Alright, so that should be good. Now, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding some spooky into it, like what we did with this eye, if you guys see that like black. And yeah, so now we're not gonna use this brush because I almost dipped it into, yeah, no, we're not doing that one. We're gonna use brow slash liner, like I said, which is that little brush that we're gonna use. And just dip it in, and then, alright, whoa, I think I accidentally got some on the palette, oh well. And then we're just gonna go right here, and then we're gonna hang on. Just dip it in a little bit more. Tap. Okay. This should be good. Instead of like, yeah. For some reason, this one actually looks, whoa, I almost poked myself in the eye. Okay, let's not do that. Let's like not kill ourselves. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of like go a little over here. This looks really terrible. I'm really bad at makeup. But oh well, it's my technically new thing now, so. And oh my god, okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna get rid of this little part right here, because I know who you are. Alright, so now we're gonna add some hello and guac. So now we're just gonna put this back. And then, yeah, so first we're gonna put in some hello. We're just gonna add it on there. Alright, wow, we're gonna like, we're just gonna, wow, that was kind of a lot that I just put, but okay. Just gonna wipe it on. Just gonna wipe it on this little thing. And now we're gonna add some guac to it. And yeah, so just, yeah. So guys, that is it of the rainforest, if you guys see, and I cannot wait till I see you guys wearing my makeup look. And yeah, so here are some pictures and maybe a video, maybe like a little video. So yeah.